Hello everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can speed up your video in ShotCut. So what you want to do is just go and click on your video, right click, click properties. In the left here it should show properties, but if it doesn't happen, no worries, go to view and click here properties. Let's click it again and you will find it. And now what you want to do is to change speed to 5, and it will automatically change your speed to 5. And let's see how fast it is. Also be careful because your audio will get also faster. So this is really good effect to use when you have muted audio. And you can see my whole video get much shorter. So this is how you can speed up your video in a ShotCut. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I will really thank for that. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya.